Hello, hello, you did it. You bought my book. The next step that I want to personally invite you to is to be able to get the workbook as well as join and apply to be at the workshop. So the workshop has been something that I've been so excited to do and planning for a little while because I believe, like me, if I just read something, I forget it. But if I actually do it, I remember it and I make changes. And so the workshop is where we are going to have transformational changes happen. And this is by invite only. So I'm only going to be doing this for a limited time and it is free. This is something that I'm so excited but I don't want to have a ton of people there because I want to be able to have hands-on one-on-one attention to give to every single person. This is something eventually we will be doing retreats, workshops where we'll be doing a 2-day seminar, but this time it's 8 weeks, it's 2 hours each time, and we're going to be learning all the concepts that I discuss in the book. So the first thing is how to heal and how to identify some of the traumas in your life that you might not realize are affecting your relationships like they were with mine. I think of it as the iceberg where with the Titanic, the iceberg just sat in the water waiting to sink the relationship. And so we have to heal ourselves first. That is the first thing we do. So we uncover a lot of different things. We try to get unstuck, and then we offer a safe, guided space to go deeper and uncover the root causes of your relationship patterns and your inner struggles. So once we do that, then we talk about limiting beliefs, and then we talk about how to discover and achieve our potential. Why are we put on this earth? And how to forgive ourselves. A lot of times we all make mistakes, we're humans. And sometimes things that you might be embarrassed about, there's no need to be embarrassed. It's just life. And what can we learn from that? Everything that we experience in life, we can learn from. And so those are some of the things that I want to be able to talk about and make sure that we understand, and so that we don't repeat those same patterns. Other things that you might learn are you in a codependent relationship, or maybe you're codependent, or maybe you're in an abusive relationship, or maybe you're the abuser. It doesn't matter what it is. The goal is to be able to heal yourself so that you can be healthy, so that you can make healthy decisions for a future spouse. Then part 2, once we get through that, we're going to actually uncover our partner. Now, if you don't have a partner, that's okay, but you will eventually, I'm sure, and you've had previous partners in the past. What have you learned, and what do you wish you would have learned? We're going to learn how to start to flip our partner's iceberg and uncover their true self, not the facade that they give us. We're going to learn the type of person they are and what their baggage is. Maybe we can identify some of the triggers that they have that they might not even realize as well. And so the whole goal is to be able to get to know yourself and then get to know your partner. If you do have a partner, then great. I highly encourage both of you to join so that you can heal yourselves and then you can figure out and get to know each other. So I'm so excited, like I said, to do this workshop, and I cannot wait to get started. And I would love to have you join. But like I said, it's by application only, and it's only limited time, and it's only a limited number because I am going to start charging for this later. So join me, and if you have any questions, please reach out. But otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the workshop, and thank you again for buying my book. I'll see you later.